Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your background in Zoom on PC. This is perfect if you want to hide your room, look more professional, or just add some fun. Here's how to do it. First, open the Zoom app on your computer and sign in. From the main screen, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then go to Settings in the Settings menu. Look at the left sidebar and click on Background and Effects. Here you'll see the option to choose a virtual background. Zoom already provides a few default options, like office spaces or nature scenes. Just click one, and your background will instantly change. If you want to upload your own image, click the plus button, select Add Image or Video, and pick a file from your computer. It will then appear in your list of backgrounds. Zoom also has a blur option, which softly blurs out your real background while keeping you in focus. This is a great choice if you want something simple and professional. Once you've selected your background, just close the settings. It will stay active in your meetings until you change it again. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your background in Zoom on your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.